Greetings, grade 3. This is our rotational symmetry project. Rotational symmetry means that each section of the circle is symmetrical. In this case, I folded it into fourths. So each quadrant is the same and just repeats all the way around. So this one is the same as this one, is the same as this one. So it just repeats all the way around. How we make this is we start with a tissue paper circle. And what we're going to do is fold it into fourths. So I'm going to fold it in half. I would lay it on the table. And then you're going to fold it in half again so that it just looks like a big piece of pie. It looks like a fourth of a circle. So let me show you that again. You start with a circle, fold it in half, get a good crease going, use your fingernail, and then fold it in half again. Now I can use the Sharpie to make some designs. I want to use the Sharpies because that way they won't bleed. I want these designs to stay put. So I'm going to hop in here and add some shapes. They don't have to be geometric shapes. You can have some fun with it. I'm going to do just a variety of shapes here. Some of them can go off the page. You do want to make sure that you have a paper underneath, either a scratch paper or a placemat, because they're going to soak through. You want them to soak through, actually. A little bit more. Just kind of up to you. You don't want to make it too crazy. You want to have some good shapes that do show up. Then I'm going to unfold it a little bit, and you can see this one's hard to see. However, the other side is pretty good. It soaked up what it was supposed to. So this side that's kind of hard to see, I'm going to fold it in half again this way, and now I can kind of see through my old ones and I can trace my design that way. So you want to make sure that you have it traced in each section so that each part is the same. And all I'm doing is tracing the designs I already made, but these guys didn't soak through all the way. Once you have them traced, you can open it up and it should match. Whatever you have here should be on the other side, and it is. Now you can hop in there with some Sharpies again and add some color. You can clean up some lines if you need to. I have a little bit there. And then using the Sharpies, you want to stick with some light colors if you have a darker tissue. The neon ones will show up really well. These are some of the neon ones. They dry and get a little bit brighter. But you want to keep continuing until your circle is the way that you like it with all the colors added in. Whatever shape you do, like if you do this one orange, I have to do this one orange as well. I can't vary the colors. I want it to be symmetrical. I want it to be the same. So same, 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 same. Whatever I color in for this circle here has to be the same all the way around. So whatever this guy is has to be the same. This guy, this guy. You just keep going until the whole thing is filled in. While you're working, you do want to make sure that you're gentle. This is tissue and it will rip, so you want to be gentle with it. Again, make sure you have a scratch paper underneath it or a placemat underneath it because it's going to run through. But also make sure that you're gentle with it because it is tissue. All right, last thing you're going to do is get your initials onto your circle. I would again, if you want to use black, you can use black, but make sure it's something that we can see. Just sneak your initials into the side so that we know that that's your circle. You will get these back. We are going to hang them up for dot day. They'll be up for a little while, but then you'll get them back. All right, thank you. 1 second.